Mi fydd y ddau dîm yn teimlo bod rhaid ennill y gêm ma pnawn ma os am unrhyw obaith o osgoi'r cwymp. Wel am basti hwnna gan Lens Davies, y rhyddau Alun Webb. Webb i fewn i'r cwrs yn cael ei faglu gan Chris Thomas. Wel na di nôl y dyfarnwr David Morgan. Mi o'n ysgwyd i ben, dim trosedd ar Alun Webb yn ôl y dyfarnwr. Hunt yn ôl at y golwr, Scott Coughlin. Les Davies yn rhoi'r pwysau ar y golwr a mae'n syth teg at Webb sy'n rheoli. Ac ydy'n drosedd tro yma, ydy mai. Dyfarwr yn pwyntio at y smotyn y tro yma. Alun Webb yn ei chanoli eto. Tancwc ar drosedd. Loddi yn y cwrt, mae'n agos. George Harry felly yn erbyn Coughlin a mae'r golwr wedi harbedi. Arbediad rhagorol gan y golwr i rwystro George Harry rhag rhoi Llandudno ar y blaen. Danny Hughes, y capten, cael ei warchod ar ymyl y cwrt. Webb yno eto yn ei chanoli. Webb at Harry. O, di honna, di taro llaw, Hunt. Ond na di, unwaith eto. David Morgan yn ysgwyd i ben. Os Llandudno di gallu cael tair gic o'r smotyn yn yr hanner cyntaf yma. Flic ymlaen gan George. Emil Ngoe, daclus allan at Clark. Clark digonedd o le ganddo fo i groesi gyfeiriad George. Ngoe yno hefyd ar peniad! A bu bron i dîm Andy Hill fynd ar y blaen. Y blaenwr yng Ngoe yno, oedd angen llaw Pearson ar postyn o'r rwystro honna. Ngoe'n brwydro gyda Edwards, y peniad teg at Les Davies, a nachi bas yn hollti'r amddiffyn. Alun Webb i Llandudno. Drwy goeser golwr. Chydig llain awr ar y cloc a mae'r tîm cartre ar y blaen o'r diwedd. Pas hyfryd gan y trwc Les Davies. A'r asgellwr Alun Webb yn gwneud y gweddill. Toby Jones at Clark. Cyffyrddiad da gan Clark. Toby Jones dangos i gyflymder. Heibio un, heibio un arall. Jones! Oedd i ar y linell gan Thomas. Ond Alun Webb sy'n o'i gasglu o ail gol o'r prawn. Chydig dros 20 munud yn weddill. A mae Alun Webb di dyblu'r fantais. Y gwaith creu gan Toby Jones. So fod i gallu pasio fan hyn. Ond mi nath i wiro'n garedig i lwybr Alun Webb. Dwi ddim ar rheoli, a mae rheolwr Llanelli Andy Hill yn dod ei hun ymlaen fel eilydd yn 40 mlwydd oed. Hill, y rheolwr ar peniad, y flic ymlaen yng Ngoe, mae tu ôl yr amddiffynwr, di mynd i'r llawr ac mae'n gic o'r smotyn i Llanelli. A carden goch i Mike Pearson hefyd, mae o'n gandryll, mae o'n honni bod y blaenwr di tynnu gris o'n y lle cynta. Chwarter awr yn weddill, a mae hon yn gyfle eiraidd i Llanelli. Chris Jones, nid yn aml, mae o'n methu o'r smotyn. Ergyd nerthol yn curo Pearson. A mae'r un dau di joio honna hefyd. Jones at Hunt, nid i chwarae dros y 90. Jones i godi'r bel i fewn i'r cwrs, mae'n un beryglus. Ac Andy Hill yn rhwydo i Llanelli. Y rheolwr yn arwain drwy y siampl. Cic acrobataidd gan y gŵr 20 mlwydd oed. Ydi o di achub pwynt i'r cochion. Jones at Clark. Mae Tom Owens ar as lawr y dde. Tom Owens yno yn sgwar. O, mae'n syrthio'n garedig i Danny Hughes. Ac mae Danny Hughes di claddu'r bel i gefn yr hwyd. Ac ydi o di claddu tymor Llanelli hefyd. Dim ond 70 eiliad ers i Hill rwydo i Llanelli. Mae Hughes o bosib di ennill y gêm i Llandudno. Tom Owens. O, mae Alun Webb di amseru'n hediad yn berffaith, di o ddim yn cam sefyll. Hon i'w selio hi Llandudno. Webb ar sgiliau yn cadw i ben. Ac yn rhwydo'r bedwaredd i Llandudno. Ac yn selio'r hat-trick. Tair gol yn yr amser sy'n cael ei ganiatáu am anafiadau'r ddiwedd y gêm. Drama yma'n Llandudno. Tor calon i Llanelli.
It's the craziest. I mean, when you think you've seen everything in football and then you get a last 5, 6, 7, 8 minutes like that, but trying to make sense of it. I'm still trying to make sense of it myself. I asked if there was a defib on standby because my heart rate is jumping all over the place, as we all are, but listen, it was vital. It was like we said, it was going to be like a cup final, it was going to be like a derby match, it was going to be everything, and it ended both ways. Both teams threw everything at it. It was, you know, if you're a neutral there today, you've been treated to an interesting game of football, an exciting game of football, and you know, it went right to the end, and it's great credit to our players today. You know, we're 2-2, down to 10 men in the 91st minute, to then go and score 2 goals is just a testament to their character and, you know, the spirit and the belief that we've instilled in them, and again, that's come from you. And you know, he may not be with us today, but he is in spirit, because this is everything he's built, and that character, and it's all come from him. So again, we dedicate this win to him. You know, our thoughts have been with him this week, and we've missed him. But you know, he is here with us.
But we just don't make it. I said it last week on camera. We just don't make it easy for ourselves. Do you mean we're too easy? We're too easy to get beat. We're too easy. Individual battles. You know, it's hard to take. Obviously, I had to go on today and saw a lot on the pitch, as you do see more on there, and it just, you know, it's just lacked, you know, desire. You know, even though we had a goal second half, you know, we just lacked that desire. You know, whether it's because, you know, the position we're in, the confidence, I don't know, but you know, it's hard to pick yourself up off the floor and to pick the team up. You know, it's you're just in that rut, like, and we just need to get out in that rut. And we thought with the second goal, you know, we thought it was going to be our day with a penalty save. We thought we'd go on and win it, and you know, as I said, the 2 goals killed us.
Oh, we really needed that win. Obviously, it's nice to score on a personal note, but it's such a huge result for the club. I honestly thought that we'd done enough at 2, and then obviously to go for them to pull 2 back, was tough. But then I think we showed what we have in this squad, the belief that we have to then go and get one back and then another one to seal it. So I'm absolutely delighted, and so is everyone in the changing room.
Oedd o'n edrych fel 2-2 yn y diwedd, ond da ni ddim wedi peidio cwffio, a da ni wedi dod allan efo'r 3 points, felly mae hwnna'n da i ni rwan yn gorau edrych ymlaen tuag at y gemau nesaf.
I think this was last chance saloon for us. We all knew that. We have to win today. We had to win today to give ourselves a chance. And listen, you know, we've done enough. There's obviously things we can improve on. Ideally, we don't concede those 2 goals. Obviously, the sending off had an effect. But yeah, just delighted really to get the win, and then obviously that gives us a platform now to go and hopefully get a few more wins and gives us a chance of staying in the league.